Hello, dear listeners. Welcome back. I'm Chef Walter, and this is another episode of Flavors and Knowledge. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the Sfogliatella, the iconic pastry that has gained worldwide recognition and a special place in the Neapolitan confectionery world. Its history, it's actually fascinating, and exploring its roots and the many variations that have emerged over time is a thrilling journey through the evolution of this culinary masterpiece. The origins of the Sfogliatella can be traced back to the Santa Rosa monastery located on the Amalfi Coast between Conca dei Marini and Furore on the coast of Naples. And although similar preparations existed in the 16th century and possibly even earlier, it is believed that Sister Clotilde, a cloistered nun, invented the Sfogliatella and its precursor in the 1600s or around that time. According to legend, Sister Clotilde used semolina flour, fresh ricotta, whole milk, dried fruit, sugar, and a dash of liqueur to create the mouth-watering filling perfect for encasing into the delicate dough. The nuns began selling the Santa Rosa to generate income, and it quickly became popular with all the locals surrounding the monastery. Innkeeper Pasquale Pintauro recognized the potential of the Santa Rosa and transformed it into the Sfogliatella, known today as Breccia. Although the exact details of how he obtained the recipe are unknown, he likely analyzed the dessert. He gave it his unique touch, resulting in the Sfogliatella that we know and we love today. The classic riccia Sfogliatella is characterized by its crunchy puff pastry, which resembles a thick conical spiral. This pastry envelopes a filling that pays homage to the monastic origin. The filling comprised the ricotta, semolina again, sugar, eggs, candied fruit, and the natural flavorings of the surrounding areas, primarily lemon. Today's market version of the classic riccia has evolved to include custard and black cherries, all of which are not really the original, but a variation we often are confronted with through time. The Sfogliatella family extends behind the classic riccia, with one of the earliest variants being the short crust pastry version. Distinguished by its use of a short crust pastry while retaining the same luscious filling, this variant has a devoted following. Over time, the surge in Neapolitan tourism and the need for diversification in offerings led to many interpretations, particularly in the area of fillings. Sweet variation featured creams like pistachio, chocolate, and coffee, and savory renditions were ragu, salami, and ricotta, including also eggplant parmigiana. They all have emerged, showcasing the adaptability of this iconic pastry. And as you know, the Sfogliatella has rightfully earned its place and a standard bearer of Neapolitan confectionery tradition, encapsulating centuries of culinary artistry. A fitting maxim captures a sentiment. Naples has three beautiful things: the sea, the Vesuvius, and the Sfogliatella, solidifying the Sfogliatella status as an integral and proud sentiment of Naples' cultural and gastronomic heritage. And that is all for this episode on Sfogliatella, the iconic pastry from Naples and the Gulf of Naples, I should be precise. We hope you enjoyed the segment. We'll check back with you on the next time. In the meantime, follow us on our social network, and all the details will be on the show notes. Until the next time, eat well and stay well. Ciao, ciao.